Hey, and welcome back to How to Funnel. In today's video, we are going to be going over an answer to a question that was from our last video. And this question comes from James Taylor saying, what are the best diagrams for e-commerce website? Thank you. So in today's video, we're going to be going over the answer to that question, and we're actually going to be deep diving into what it takes to actually be profitable with your e-commerce site. Of course, running ads would be the quickest way to sales. However, when you're thinking long term and you have the Money Robot tool, it's always in your best practice to have keywords that are ranking and that are answering questions for your customers, thus having people land on your blogs and then converting them into sales. So what we're going to do today is we're going to actually deep dive into the psychology of the e-commerce and how you should be approaching it, and then we're going to be looking at the diagram that you need to be using in order to actually drive organic traffic from SEO and get your keywords ranking on the first page of Google. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to leave your comments, always love your suggestions, and make sure to grab the book. The new book is the Diagram Hack Book for if you are a Money Robot user. This is going to really help you out in terms of learning the strategies and the tips that you need to really scale your organic reach. So we're going to actually go into the program right here. We're actually going to go into our Money Robot program, and I'm going to show you the diagram. I'm just going to cut to the chase first. So you're going to be using this diagram today, which is the T, 1 blog, 1 profile, 2 blogs, 9 profiles. And this one right here is going to help you scale your products. The code for this one is going to be in the descriptions below, so just check that out, and also in the comments. I'm going to show you how to use this one, and we're not going to keep this video too long, but first we want to get into the idea of knowing and understanding what your customers are looking for. So we are going to actually look into a few different products that you should be actually investing in if you are an e-commerce brand. So if you are an e-commerce brand, I highly recommend going to sprocket.co, getting an account, and that way you can understand how to find what's trending, and you can find what is selling and save you a lot of time. Okay, a free way to actually find out what's trending again for your e-commerce site is going to Amazon and just taking a little browse and just trying to figure out what is the best product in your niche that is actually making people money, right? And then when we come to actually drop shipping, make sure that you are actually fulfilling from the states, like states warehouses on AliExpress. If you're in e-commerce, you're probably already doing this, but again, it's just because with the shipping fees and also the custom fees that are going to be introduced in 2025 for those who are drop shipping from China, might cause an issue in the future. So that's just a disclaimer for you if you are going in that route, okay? But the best way to actually understand your trending topics are actually just to go into AliExpress and look at what's trending on the first page, and then you can use these products to start your research. That's the reason why we're actually going to look into that today. So let's say that we did find a product that we like. Okay, so we can go here. We see the Retroid Pocket 4 Pro. Okay, so we can go to the Retroid Pocket 4 Pro. Okay, this is a popular product. I actually own this product myself, and you can use this product as an example. And I mean, this is a great product. I'm going to actually search for this product. I'm going to go to the Facebook library. Okay, I'm going to go to Facebook library. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put United States. So I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to go to United States, and I'm going to put OK, and I'm going to see if I could find any products, any engagement for this particular product. So I'm going to say all ads, and then I'm going to actually search for that keyword. Okay, So I'm just gonna paste that keyword in there, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna run that to see if there is any ads. So there is no ads running particularly for that. Let's see if we could find any ads whatsoever. Okay, so we did find one ad here. If you only find one ad per product, that means that you're either too early to the product, or there's not enough demand for that product for you to really care about. A good way to gauge if a product is worth advertising is to put the keyword in the Facebook library just to see if there's any demand for the product. So as you can see here, there's only one ad running for this particular product, and it's obviously it's in a different language. It's not even in English. That's a bad indicator that promoting this ad or promoting this product might not be in your best interest. Okay, we want to go for products that are actually in demand. So I would go for a more popular keyword and then go broad with the keyword. Then you can see which ads are being ran, and then go back into the AliExpress and look for products that are like-minded to that one product right there. So again, we're gonna double check to see if we could find a particular product that we could use in order to actually promote. You might actually already have a product on your e-commerce site, which is totally fine, but if you're doing SEO, it's always good to find like-minded products that might have easier competition that you can drive traffic to. So when somebody lands on your store and they buy one thing, they might buy another thing, or they might buy the main thing that you're selling. So that's a backdoor way to get traffic, is to look for low competition items that you could host on your website if you're doing e-commerce, if you're doing drop shipping, and then that way you can get a traffic that can be related to your main product. Okay, so we're gonna just take a look and see if this product right here, we can find this in the ad library. We're gonna go back to the ad library and we're gonna put in the keyword right here just to see if we could find any kind of traction. And as you can see, when it loads, you're gonna see that it's loading a lot more ads, and you could tell that this product is going to be a little bit easier to actually advertise, because you can see there's already a demand. There's already a lot of people that are promoting ads, and that way you can not only spy on these ads, but you can also use the copy from this ad. So you can see if you go to the ad itself, you can see the engagement with the ad, you can see all of the details of the ad, and you can actually look at the advertiser. And sometimes you can collect valuable data, and that valuable data is what you're going to be using for your keyword and your SEO research. Okay, so now that we have an idea of the product that we're going to be going for, let's say you gathered a lot of ideas and you gathered a lot of extra keywords from most of these advertisers. You got some ideas. Okay, so let's see if we can go to our money robot, and we're going to take this specific keyword. So let's say you have to run SEO to a particular product page. What you're going to do is you're going to actually find the keyword first, and then you're going to actually launch your page on that particular keyword right there. Okay, so I'm going to show you exactly how that works right now. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to go there to our Money Robot tool, and I'm going to show you this particular diagram right here. I'm going to go to this diagram. Again, it's the T1 blog, 1 profile, 2 blogs, 9 profiles, 9 SB. I'm going to click on that so you can get a better look inside of that. And then the reason why I like this one right here is because it particularly has Web 2.0 blogs. And then when you scroll in, you can see right here that there is the Web 2.0 T2 4, and then also T02 social bookmarking. So that's the power that you're going to be getting, particularly going to your money site, which is the blog right there. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go into my keywords. I'm going to take the keyword that I already have. I'm going to go into my keywords right here, and I'm actually going to find more keywords related to my product keyword. So I'm going to go to my product keyword there, and I'm going to find the best product keyword that I could use in order to actually gain some traffic and gain some particular people going on to our website. So let me just go onto there. I'm just gonna, my keyword research tool, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paste the keyword in here, and then I'm gonna search for more keywords. I'm gonna let it run for maybe 5 seconds, 20 seconds. Sometimes I let it go for about 30 to 80 seconds before I would actually click on here and then extract all of the keywords, okay? Then what I'm going to do is when I'm in my new campaign, I'm actually going to jump into my new campaign here. I'm actually going to put the keywords right here, and then I'm also going to rename my campaign. So I'm just going to put all my keywords right there. I'm going to scroll up to the top of my keywords. I'll grab the main keyword. Okay, I'm going to grab the main keyword, and I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to paste that into the campaign. So we have campaign 1 right there. Okay, and right here is where you're going to put the money website for this. So you're going to actually add the money website right there. That's going to be where you're going to be driving all your traffic. For instance, I'm just going to take any page and then send traffic to this particular page right here. I'm going to go to my money robot site, robot tool right here. I'm going to go right here and I'm going to click on this, okay? And that's where I pasted my link. Then I'm going to run this for around 5 days, and I'll spin the article. The article is going to automatically spin, and when it spins, it's actually going to extract the keywords that you actually have inside of your keyword box. With this particular diagram, you're actually going to get more power going to your backlinks, because these backlinks are combined with social bookmarkings, and it's combined with Web 2.0 blogs. A lot of concerns are that the social bookmarkings may not work because Google Plus is not available anymore. However, you're still getting the rank juice from old websites and old domains. You're still getting that rank juice. You're still getting that DA, that domain authority, going to your website, regardless of the competitiveness and regardless of a dead social media. So with that said, I'll see you in the next few videos. Make sure to grab the course in the link in the description, also in the comments, and thanks for watching. Have a great day. Take care.